In this video, I will show you how to rotate text 90 degree in Microsoft Excel like this. So firstly, select some cells, then click on merge and center. Now type your text here, change size, type your text like January, and this method will apply for any type of text. Now in this corner, drag and drop. So your text will appear here. Now to rotate to 90 degree, select these rows, and in a home tab, here you will see one option, orientation. Click on format cell alignment, and here you can set 90 degree. Click on OK. Then change size, color, make it center. Like this. And there are some more options. Angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise. So these are method, guys. You can move your text or rotate your text 90 degree in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.